Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to public your story on Facebook. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Facebook, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Publishing your story on Facebook offers several compelling reasons, and each tailored to the platform's unique features and audience, because Facebook is one of the largest social media platforms, and with its interactive features such as likes, comments, and shares facilitate engagement with their story. Publishing your story encourages interaction from friends, family, and followers, fostering conversations and connections around your content, and you can reach a vast audience and maximizing the visibility of your content. Now, let me tell you that it's a lot easier to publish your story on Facebook in the mobile device or using the Facebook app. So I'm gonna switch from there. Now, once you are on your Facebook app, I need you to click on the create story here. Now, once you've done that, all you're gonna do is click on story, share, but you need to click the cog icon setting here at the bottom left corner. Click on privacy. And from here, you can adjust the privacy that you wanted. Make sure that your profile is public so that everything you posted on your story will be automatically public. All right. After doing so, just click on the share button again. And that's that. And as you can see, your story has been published and it's already public. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.